Hello everybody, Jake here. Today I want to show you a hack for connecting pipes, as you can see here, and it might be something that you wouldn't expect. And what this is basically a bolt through a piece of conduit and into another piece of conduit. And this comes from a community member named Gary, who's custom building a pontoon boat, and he recently shared his project where he added a railing to the boat, and he used this method and I thought it was really cool and wanted to mention it in a video because it's a pretty cool solution. So basically what I've done here is this is just a piece of 3/4 inch EMT conduit, and I've just hammered in one of these no-lip inserts. If you haven't seen these before, we've done a full video on what they are and how you can use them in all sorts of different ways. I'll link that video down below. But basically I've hammered one of these into an end of a piece of conduit, and then I've drilled a hole through another piece of conduit where I wanted to make the connection, as you can see here. Drilled all the way through the pipe on both sides. So then what we can do is then take a bolt. This is, I think, 2.5 inches. You want to get at least a 2-inch bolt. And basically you're just going to stick that through and then just thread it into the threaded insert. And whichever size bolt depends on, which insert you get. So this is a 3/8/16 insert. We also have a 1/4 20. But basically you'll just thread all the way through the pipe and into the other insert, and then you can fully tighten it just like that, and then you have a pretty strong connection between the two pipes. Now of course this isn't the most elegant solution. Something cool you could do is if you have a notching tool, you could notch the conduit on the end and make it where this top pipe would kind of sit in a little bit of a divot there, or into a notch I guess it would be, and it would, have a nice connection. But this really doesn't look too bad, and it's a pretty cool solution for things that you use in your builds that maybe don't need to be structural, but just a quick connection that you want to make. And you could easily take this apart and assemble something, and I think it's great for all kinds of different things. So hopefully you like this hack and find it useful. If you do, leave a like below and comment a way that you think you can use it in the comments. Thanks everybody for watching. We'll see you in the next video.